Hey cousins, it's Loving Leah. If you are new here, hi. If you are already subscribed, welcome back. On this channel, I kind of talk about loving myself and how I'm getting there, and all the steps that I am taking. In this video, by the title, it is the night kayak that I did. I love outdoors. I like water. And so we decided to do this nighttime kayak. Um, Here I'm just showing you like this big boat that came by. Y'all, we was against these boats the whole time. So yeah, I just wanted to show you. We actually was the only people that flipped over. Um, but yeah, so I'm sorry that most of the video you see the back of my boyfriend head, but that's who I was kayaking with. And it's a lot of like bad shots. Y'all, I didn't have like my a GoPro or anything. I was recording off my phone and we had already flipped, so I didn't even try to record too much stuff. Just because phones don't float. But yeah, I had to take the audio off this video as well because, copyright for later on, maybe. Granted, I don't make any money off of YouTube, but I don't want anything to be anything. So, I hope y'all enjoyed the clips. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.